Good morning!
'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. 'Cause this is real love. I know it's real love. Now I know.
Hi guys! Welcome to Hey It's Minyang. Welcome to Hey It's Minyang. Mag-unboxing po tayo bago ko lumayas. So we are going to have a gala dinner after ng makeup tutorial. Kung makeup tutorial nga ba yun. So it's not that really, normal lang siyang makeup guys. So ay wala pala ako accessories. So I received a nice gift. Advance, ano ba ito ba? Birthday and Christmas gift daw. So, birthday and Christmas gift. So, ayan siya guys! First LV bag na natanggap ko sa tamang buhay ko. And I think this will be the last. Will be the last?
Who knows?
So, ayan. So, happy to receive it in advance. Happy birthday daw. From my Habibi. From my Mon Amour. So, what is this? Is it a check?
Yeah.
Maybe you're gonna give me another money. What? Happy birthday, Mon Amour! Wow! There's no other message. Happy birthday lang. You didn't write anything. You have to write something here.
Next on your birthday.
So, you will write now, guys. So, yan! Ang ganda ng box.
Plus, I need to put my wallet.
Huh? So, ayan po, guys. Buksan na natin. Tararan! Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pinili niya. Kasi dalawa yung binigay ko sa kanya, choices. Ano ba ito buksan? Pinupush yata. Ay, hindi pala. Ganun pala. Ayan siya, guys. Ganun pala yun. Sorry, pasensya na. First time eh. Wow! The other bag, the other one. Look at that, guys. So, the last bag. Is it original? Wow.
Class 8.
It's a different one. It's different type when you touch it. This is the first time I'm touching Louis Vuitton bag. Oh my God! It's really nice, guys. So, sa box pa lang, napakamahal na. So, paano na lang sa bag? Ayan. Ito siya, guys. Napakaganda. How much you buy this? It's...
You don't need to mention.
Paano ba to? Teka.
First like this.
Wow! Ganun pala yun. So, meron din siyang handle. So, apart from being handbag, so, ayan siya. Ganun pala siya. So, lapit ako ng konti. So, apart from, being handbag, so, pwede mo rin siyang, meron siyang, shoulder bag, handle, whatever, kung ano man yan. So, social, yan ang lola, o diba? Napakamahal ko yata today. I'm so expensive today, babe. Ayan, so, ayan, ganun mo lang pala siya. Hindi siya ipipress, ganun. Yes, push together. Basta ganun mo lang, pisilin mo lang. Ayan, tas, guys, sa totoo lang, it's really like, ibang-iba yung pakiramdam when you're touching this kind of bag compared to my other bags na meron, yung mga nabili namin na matagal ko na rin ginagamit. So this one, it's a precious one. Sandali ba? I have to make it 15 minutes. So, yun. Maraming salamat. I love you, baby ko. Thank you. How many finger you have to cut with this? He didn't cut any finger just to get this bag. So, binigyan ko siya ng 2 choices kasi to have this another bag and this bag kasi parang ang dami naming choices, ang dami kong choices, which is we go down to the 2. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, siya na lang mag-decide ng bag kung ano yung gusto niyang ibigay sa akin. So, let's try it with this. Ganito ba yan? Yun. Bongacious. Pwede na. Thank you, my love. So, only Christmas? Birthday? Okay. It's okay. I don't need anything. So, this is my first bag. So, maybe this will be the last also. Kasi hindi ko, no need to buy another one. It's too expensive. Thank you so much. Ayan. So, there's another one. Don't tell me you got an... Is it for you?
Yeah, I give myself.
So guys, there's another one. Hindi ko alam. Siguro freebies?
Huh?
Freebies?
What freebies?
They give it to you for free?
Yeah. Louis Vuitton they give for free, yeah.
Malay mo, because you buy this one is very expensive, no? So imagine mo, tas walang freebies. Ta-da! No! You buy a wallet? Is it for you? Wow! I have another. How much you got this one?
You don't need to know.
Maybe this is like
You don't need to know.
So guys, binilhan niya. Kasama rin pala nito. Ayan. Ayan, thank you so much. No, actually, okay lang naman kahit wala or something. So thank you. There's no red one. Anyway, kahuli naman siya. So, meron siyang wallet. So, you can put also few cards. Tapos may coins din siya. So, ito talaga yung mga favorite kind na ano. Yung mga gustong-gusto ko na klase ng mga wallet. Yung merong lagayan ng card, tapos, or cash. Tapos, nandun din yung coins. Kagaya nung isa, yung meron akong coach na wallet na binigay niya rin sa akin. Was last year? Yeah, he got it from me last year. Tapos, ayan. So, I'm so happy with my new bag. We're gonna put some of my cards here. And of course, I cannot even wear it in the Philippines, no? I mean, I have a new bag. Thank you so much. I have to take care of it properly. I have to go to someone to clean it.
So, legit ko.
Go to the toilet. Why you're asking me? Mukha ba akong toilet?
Pwede ako mauna. Maligo na rin ako.
Bakit?
Pauwi na rin daw sila 5 minutes eh.
Yung bag pa lang niya, guys, mukha nang mamahalin, di ba? So, the name of the bag is Croisette d'Ibe. Yeah, Croisette d'Ibe. Ito yung pangalan ng bag, guys. So, the centimeter of this, kasi chinek namin to bago niya pinili. So, dalawa yung pinagpilian pala namin. So, isa yung bag na, what's the name of the other bag? Sienna. Tapos, yun, 30 cm yung haba niya. This is 25 cm with the height of 17. Tapos, this one is like 6, 8, 9.
9.
So, yung width niya is 9. Tapos, 25 yung haba niya from here. Then, yung height niya is like 17 cm. Tapos, yung isa naman, which is a bit bigger. Maganda din siya. Pero, I think he did the right choice to choose this one. So, try natin. So, ganyan siya. Sarado ba natin muna? Sarado ba natin? So, pag hawak mo siya by your hands, diba? Pamay na lang. Tapos, ayan. Siya. Nagmamadali siya kasi may lakad kami. So, baby girl, look at my bag! Is it nice?
What's this?
Kabayang buntis. So,
Kabayang buntis.
ayan. Thank you so much, guys. And hopefully, you enjoy watching this vlog, unboxing vlog. So, I'm gonna be exploring a little bit of this one on the next day. Kasi kailangan na namin. Nagmamadali na kami umalis. I have my Louis Vuitton bag. My first bag. Tignan mo, may touch mo. Iba yung pakiramdam mo yung touch.
Touch.
What's your Chinese?
You need to put that.
Wow.
Iba ang
Give me the
pakiramdam.
cup.
Ang ganda. Ang sarap hawakan, di ba? Hindi siya.
Ito.
Saan na ko yung Kate Spade ko dyan?
Saan nakalagay?
Andyan yung kulay white and pink.
Ito ba yun?
Saan nga nakalagay? Sa closet?
No, yeah.
Iba yung pakiramdam mo yung touch it the first time na hawakan siya. Ang lambot. Malambot na ano.
Where? Money.
Nasa dust bag.
It's up, no?
No, it's there.
Nasa baba lang. Happy birthday, advance. Baka meron din Merry Christmas dito.
So wala, babe, there's no Merry Christmas, so it means
There's
it's
another
only for
one.
happy birthday. Uy, meron pa yan sa loob. Kasama may dalawa to. Dali lang. Ay, nako. So ito yung isa, guys. Binili niya rin to sa akin before. I think it was also my birthday, no? This is coming from Kate Spade. So I think madala ko to siyang gamitin. Pero it has a different touch kasi when you are touching this Kate Spade. Parang hindi dapat siya kino-compare Louis Vuitton over Kate Spade. So meron din ako Coach bag. Meron din ako basta maraming klase ng bag. So ito po guys yung pinaka first Louis Vuitton bag na meron ako sa tanang buhay ko in my 30 plus existing. Hindi ko sabihin ko ilan yung exacto. So, ayan. I'm so grateful sa aking my love. So, ayan guys. Thank you. Thank you so much and hope you enjoy.
This is for me.
3 years na kami walang pagkain.
So, guys, ang kapalit pala nito, wala. Ilang taon kami.
No food.
So, ang ano to pala,
No groceries.
walang groceries, no savings.
No savings.
Ay, naku, Charlie!
Mas ka dyan kasi.
So, wala kami pagkain for few days. Few months.
Kasi.
Okay guys, thank you so much. And hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. Cheers!